welcome to TTS Explosion. John Cena is getting medical attention over here. It's so bad for him. Wait here. He's just sitting there helplessly. What over? Oh my god! Oh my god, Roman Reigns! Roman Reigns slamming him! Oh my god! Oh! He broke the table. He's slamming him, punching his face, busting open, still busting. Oh! Throwing chairs all over him. And now grabbing him out the chair pile and now putting him into the steel cage. Oh, big boot to the face. Stomping on his helpless face. Blood marks everywhere. And a spear! Dude, spear through the cage! Roman, what are you doing? Everyone getting Roman. Why did you do that, Roman? John needs medical attention. He's getting help now.
Awesome!
Well, let's go! The Miz is here to face Randy Orton for the X Division tournament. The Miz is walking in. He's locked in, ready to go. Now the Miz walking down the ramp. He's ready, he's locked in. And here he is, the Viper, Randy Orton. He's here. This match is going to be crazy. These two both know the game. They both know the game the exact same way. Oh no. He's walking here. He's walking ready to go. Look at Randy. Let's go, Randy Orton. And now the match has started. And now they're walking up. And now Randy pushes Miz. Oh, he hits him in the face. Miz slapping Randy in the face. And now, oh! Miz hit him slam. And now punching him. Keep roundhounding him. Oh wow. And oh! You're a Nagi. Now he's gonna impress it. Oh, they both cut each other in the uppercuts. Oh wow. No! Oh! Let's go! For two! Kick out! Randy almost injured him until he got up. We went, Logan Paul! It's Logan Paul! Jake Paul! It's Jake Paul! He's here! Jake Paul taking out Logan Paul! What? Wait. Anthony Joshua! This is what's going on right now. Randy Orton behind Miz RKO! Oh, Logan Paul with the clothesline. Wait. Kevin Owens? Could it be? It's Kevin Owens! Kevin Owens is here! Kevin Owens is here! Anthony Davis is caught off guard. He swung, putting his hand on the chair. But Sami Zayn's here! Taking out Logan Paul! Kevin Owens coming in, but oh, Joshua coming in, but Sami Zayn flies outside! The heck? RKO, 1, 2, 3! What the heck? Randy Orton is... That's it for the tournament. Oh! Braun Breaker! Oh! Welcome to the Paradise Ship. Brock Lesnar! That's Brock Lesnar! F5! I'll see you guys 27 minutes. Bye-bye.